there is something that most of you never understand, that huwezi nunua nyumba kama mbuzi, na hata mbuzi mtu huwa anaangalia meno. Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in Kigajo Road and this is the newest gated estate in Nairobi. It is an estate of 5 units and each unit is a 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom home. As you can see from there, the estate is extremely beautiful, done very well, and each home has been constructed on a 50 by 80 lot of land. Each home has been surrounded by a perimeter wall, an electric fence and a razor wire, but the whole estate also has been surrounded by a perimeter wall. Each home gets a 3-car parking like this one. On my far front you have your front yard, and on this other side you have a staircase that is supposed to take you to the upper level. The other units you can choose either to have the staircase inside or outside. From here, I'm supposed to take you inside, but before that, let's discuss a few things. Some of you keep telling me, Mungai Kihara, we like the houses that you advertise, but we do not have money to purchase them cash. Some of you have already tried to do it in installments, but most developers right now do not accept installment payments. And so, what should you do? I would suggest that you go for the mortgage options. But before you go to that, you need to understand what is mortgage and how a mortgage works. There are so many types of mortgages in Kenya, but what you need to know in terms of real estate financing is 2 types of mortgages. First, there is the normal mortgage, which currently is going at a rate of around 16% all the way to 22% depending on the financial institutions that you are assigned in. The other one is the low-cost housing mortgage or the low-cost housing finance. That has been given by the government at a fixed rate of 9.5% per annum, and the loan would extend all the way to 25 years. So most financial institutions are offering 1 million all the way to around 10.5 million Kenya shillings, depending on the leniency of the financial institution. The low-cost housing finance can be used for several purposes. First, you can use it to buy a single dwelling unit. Also, you can use it for buying and building. That is, you can buy a piece of land and build on it with that loan. And finally, it can be used for loan takeovers from other non-financial institutions. But before you do all that, you need to beware of hippos. From the entrance, you are welcomed by this extremely beautiful living room. It has been done very well. One thing that I'm loving is how the developer staged this just to make sure that it is very ample and comfortable for anyone who would want to purchase. For 10.8 million Kenya shillings, the colors are very neutral, the windows are massive, the doors have been done very well, and I love the focal point. It has been done extremely well. You are getting an electric fireplace. This cabinetry is for your other electronics, and this is where you should do your 75-inch TV. Your nightlight supply has been done very well. First, you are getting this center light. You have a set of 2 side lights and another set on the other side. Your mood light has been done extremely well, and you have the downlighters that make sure that this unit is very well lit in each corner. Most developers do a lot of concrete juggles, but I like how this developer has mixed the concreteness with some wood, and this makes this unit very, very inviting because you are getting this opening to the dining area. It has been magnified by the mahogany that you are getting. You have another set of woodwork on this side where you have the hallway that is supposed to take you to the bedroom areas. Right now we are at the dining area of this unit, and the owner of this unit was the one who insisted that these things should be pulled a bit lower. For the tall people, I think this will be a disappointment because you will have to live in this house headless. The dining area is massive for a nuclear family. It has been done very well, big enough to fit a 6-seater all the way to an 8-seater. You have a very well done wash basin here just to make sure that you have cleaned your hands before you enjoy your meals. And by that, you will stop the common narrative that Africans are dirty and Africa is full of diseases. This dining area is opening to the kitchen, and the kitchen has been done extremely well. I like the connection between the dining area and the kitchen, and you have this small space over there which can be used as a breakfast table or a mini bar. The brownness of the kitchen is blending very well with the mahogany wood that has been used. The dark granite is giving you a good contrast to the backsplash, and on this side you have your wash basin. On my far front, you have a space for your oven. Above here, a microwave will be installed, and this is the space for your double door. This is where you have your cooking area. It is a 4-burner cooktop, and on top of it, you have a modern hood or a heat extractor. This door is supposed to take you to the laundry area and the pantry. This is the pantry. It is not fully partitioned, but it will be partitioned according to your needs when you purchase this unit. At this point, how do you like this unit? Do you think that the developer has done enough to ask for 10.8 million Kenya shillings? If you would want to purchase this unit, there is always a process. And there is something that most of you never understand, that huwezi nunua nyumba kama mbuzi. Na hata mbuzi mtu huwa anaangalia meno. Some of you keep commenting and telling me, Mungai Kihara, niko na wakili, and that is enough for me to purchase a house. Yes, having a wakili is very, very important. But the lawyer will only help you on dealing with the legal matters of a certain property. When it comes to the purchase process, you need to be very aware of two things. First, the structural strength of the unit that you want to purchase and the legality of the documents of the unit that you need to purchase. That's why you need African real estate to help you do a pre-purchase inspection to make sure or to verify that everything is okay. Our team, which involves lawyers and structural engineers, will help identify any issues with the unit before you do the purchase. And for the 6 of you who do not like this property, there is a ton of units in our portfolio, africanrealestate.com. This is the hallway that is supposed to take you to the bedroom areas. But at this point, you have to learn that this unit comes with several amenities. You have your electric fence controller, you have your doorbells, and this is the controller of the solar water heaters. On my far front, you have an extra storage that has been reserved for all your shoes. And I like it that the developer included this space and the space above for your gumboots or for your rainy shoes. This is the first bedroom, and it is the smallest. And by now, I know some of you are already asking, Mungai Kihara, how do we get to talk to you? Our contacts are always in the first comment. This unit is getting a ton of light from the big window that is on my far front. This is the closet of this bedroom. It is not the biggest, but it is big enough for your small kids. The night lighting has been done very well. As you can see, you have that center light, and you have some side lights on this side. This is the window that I mentioned. The bathroom to this bedroom is here, and it is adopting a similar concept to what we will see in the second bedroom. At the entrance of the second bedroom, you have the second bathroom, and it is massive, big enough for your bigger children. You have a WC at the center. This is the showering area that comes with a handheld and a rain shower, and you have your double toothbrush holder. The bedroom space is big enough for a 5x6 or a 6x6 bed. I like the center lights that you are getting in each bedroom. This developer has done everything extremely well, and I'm loving the size of this closet because it is floor to ceiling. You are getting a set of 2 drawers down there, and you have this space that has been reserved for your shoes. From here, I'm taking you directly to the primary bedroom. For those who are asking, Mungai Kihara, how do I know if I'm qualified for this affordable homes finance? Take for instance this water. I just bought it from a mini supermarket on that block. And the mini supermarket owner was telling me that monthly they can get a revenue of around 300,000 with a total expenses of around 180,000. That gives the owner approximately
80,000 of net tax. If you have such a statement for 1 year, you would automatically qualify for this finance. And you can get maybe 8 or 9 million for you to buy your dream home. What about for those people who are not in the business industry, like that garage over there? Those people, like me, who are employed, and you are getting a net salary of around 50,000 all the way to around 250,000, you can easily qualify to the full amount, which is 10.5 million, and you would easily purchase or build your own home in the suburbs. Take for instance, Ruiru, Kagudo Road, Kitengera, or maybe Kikuyu. If you would want to know more details about this finance, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment.
From there, you can already agree with me that this is the biggest bedroom. The owner will be able to do a 6x6 bed all the way to a customized bed. During the day, you will get a ton of light from this massive window. You have a very well done combination of artificial lights that will make sure that your mood in the night will always be perfect. And next to me, you have the primary closet. It is the biggest, big enough for 2 people. You have some spaces for the hangable clothes, 3 drawers here, a small space that should be used as your dresser, and you have this space that has been partitioned for all your foldable clothes. The bathroom to this bedroom is here, and it comes with a beautiful wash basin and a small vanity. This is the master bathroom. It comes with all the fixtures that you may require. A glass separation will be added here to separate the washroom area from the bathroom area, and you're also getting a handheld and a rain shower. This is the roof deck of this unit, and it covers a print area of around 110 square meters. I like it because this is where you get your 4th bedroom, and it comes with a washing area here. This bedroom can be used as a guest bedroom, the employee quarters, or the home of your boys if you are a cultural person. From there, you can see that the estate is still ongoing. You are getting a solar water heater in each unit, and from this side, you can agree with me that Mugutha is a really beautiful space. Anyway, that's all for today. We will see you in the next video. Make sure to call us in the number attached in the first comment.